Hi, I'm Tim Willenbring.
And I'm Libby Berg.
We're with Cooley Bank, a locally owned, rock-solid community bank, and we're here to share with you some of the ins and outs of obtaining a business loan.
You've heard the horror stories of how the current financial crisis has made business loans next to impossible to get. Without a previous track record in business, securing a loan may be very difficult. But while things have changed in our financial marketplace, Cooley Bank remains committed to providing our customers the services they have come to know and expect.
Not only is Cooley Bank a stable financial institution with funds available for business loans, it is also dedicated to making the loan process accessible and understandable to our customers.
The most advantageous route for you as a borrower is to remember the 5 C's of credit: character, collateral, capital, conditions, and capacity.
Character is demonstrated by verifying how you've handled credit in the past. Have you paid your bills on time? Your credit report is the key to this information. Your educational background and experience in business and in your industry will also be considered.
Collateral or guarantees are additional forms of security that you can provide the lender. Giving a lender collateral means that you pledge an asset you own, with the agreement that it will be the repayment source in case you can't repay the loan. A guarantee, on the other hand, is just that. You or someone else signs a guarantee document promising to repay the loan if you can't. Some lenders may require such a guarantee in addition to collateral as security for a loan.
Capital is the money you have personally invested in the business and is an indication of how much you have at risk should the business fail. Interested lenders and investors will expect you to have contributed from your own assets and to have undertaken personal financial risk to establish the business.
Conditions describe the intended purpose of the loan. Will the money be used for working capital, additional equipment, or inventory? The lender will also consider local economic conditions and the overall climate, both within your industry and the other industries that could affect your business.
Capacity to repay is the most critical of the 5 factors. It is the primary source of repayment, cash. The prospective lender will want to know exactly how you intend to repay the loan. The lender will consider cash flow from the business, the timing of the repayment, and the probability of successful repayment of the loan. Payment history on existing credit relationships, personal or commercial, is considered an indicator of future payment performance. Potential lenders will also want to know about other possible sources of repayment.
As an educated entrepreneur, you may have already heard about the 5 C's, but we want to help you further understand the loan process by providing you with a detailed list of steps. First, keep in mind that to stay in business, banks need to make loans, so don't be afraid to ask for one. Also, look for a bank that is familiar with your industry, that has done business with companies like yours, and is active in small business financing.
Second, make sure that you're thoroughly prepared when you go to your banker's office to request a loan by bringing with you copies of your tax returns from the last 2 years, your personal financial statement, and a copy of your business plan.
Next, be prepared and confident by knowing the answers to the most commonly asked questions, including, how much money do I need? How long will I need it for? What am I going to do with it? When and how do I plan to repay it? And what will I do if I don't get the loan? And make sure to discuss risk with your banker. Bankers want to know that you plan for potential challenges and have solutions to manage them. Thoughtful answers to these simple questions can help ensure your loan approval. And remember that the first loan is always the hardest to get.
A good place to start is to ask for a referral from a successful entrepreneur. Bankers tend to deal more favorably with those who are referred to them by their best customers.
We hope that we've provided you with some helpful insight into the business loan application process. And if you are still unsure of how to best apply for a loan, please feel free to call one of us directly.
At Cooley Bank, we are dedicated to the success of our customers and the community that they serve. We have been for nearly 50 years. Thank you for your time, good luck, and we'll see you at the bank.